this video, we're going to solve another HackerRank problem-solving problem, an intermediate level problem rather in that particular capacity, which is to, given that we're given a sum of array, we need to find the sum of all elements of that array. So potentially, give me a second. So given, and just do black, given we are given an array of 1, 2, 3, we're given an array of 1, 2, 3, we need to sum 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. We need to do that, but this value is going to consistently change. So we need to create a program that does exactly that. It's quite simple. Like, there are two ways we can go about doing this, but the first way is something that I wouldn't suggest, but like it's the most easiest and simplest way. So we simply write a return statement in this function here, as you can see on the screen, and use the sum function on the array, and we should pretty much have our answer, right? If we run this code here, we should pass all the tests, we're done. But this is not how we solve this question. Like, this is a quick and easy way to do that, but potentially when we're in a coding interview, they do not want us to use these functions to solve these problems. When you're coding in your own projects, that's fine, but when you're coding in a coding interview, you need to be more explicit. You need to actually break this down and do it yourself, not use libraries to solve that problem for you, right? So given that, how do we solve this problem, right? So for that problem solution is quite simple as well, right? So first we need to have a variable that stores the total value, or the total of the the total of the array itself. So we create a variable with value 0 first, right? Once that's done, we now need to loop over each element in the variable and to use the syntactic sugar of plus equals to add the current value that is being iterated into the total sum. And once that's done, we return the total value. So num in AR, that's the function we have, total plus equals num. So what we're doing here, if I break this down a little bit, we're basically doing total equals to plus. That is what the other above figure represents. So every time we iterate over an element, we add it to total and convert total's value, the new sum of total, and the num is the new value of total. Once that's done, we just simply return the total value. Run this code again. That solves the question. Now let's just submit this code and see if it passes all the tests. Yep, it passes all the coding tests, all the total coding cases. With that, we're going to wrap up our video, and we'll see you in our next video. Thank you.